In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on TrustWallet using debit card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the app, choose Bitcoin, pick a provider, pay with your debit card, and see your BTC arrive safely in your wallet. Start by opening TrustWallet on your device and make sure you're on the latest version of the app. If an update is available in your app store, install it first for the smoothest experience and security fixes. When the app opens, unlock it as you normally do. Quick reminder, TrustWallet will never ask for your recovery phrase during a purchase. Keep that phrase private and stored offline. From the main wallet screen, look for the buy option. You can tap buy directly or tap the search icon at the top right and type Bitcoin or BTC. Select Bitcoin, the one on the Bitcoin network. If you see versions on other networks, ignore those for this purchase to avoid sending funds to the wrong type of asset. Next, enter the amount you want to buy in your local currency. The app will show an estimated amount of BTC you'll receive. Keep in mind there are minimums, maximums, and fees that vary by provider and region, so the final BTC amount may adjust slightly before checkout. If needed, change the currency to match your card's billing currency to reduce conversion fees. Now choose a third-party provider. TrustWallet partners with on-ramp services, and you'll see options with their quoted rates, fees, and limits. Take a moment to compare the total you'll pay versus the BTC you'll receive. For a debit card purchase, select a provider that supports debit cards in your country, offers a good rate, and has a verification process you're comfortable with. When asked to pick a payment method, select debit card. Some providers also support Apple Pay, Google Pay, or bank transfer, but we'll stay with debit card for this walkthrough. Make sure your card is enabled for online and international transactions, and be ready for 3D Secure or a one-time code from your bank. Tap Next or Continue, and you'll be redirected to the provider's checkout. Enter your card details and billing information, complete any identity verification they require, and carefully review the final summary, provider fees, network fees, if any, the total fiat amount, and the estimated BTC to be delivered to your Trust wallet. Confirm the payment and wait on the page until you see a success message. Once processed, your Bitcoin will be deposited directly into your Trust wallet. You can open the Bitcoin asset to view the incoming transaction and its confirmations. Delivery time can range from a few minutes to longer, depending on network congestion and the provider's checks. That's it. Your debit card purchase is complete and your BTC is now in your custody.